Saturday tropical update. We now have Invest 97L off the African coast. A little low-level circulation there. Forecast models, the European ensembles say it looks like this could recurve in about 10 days. So end of next weekend and the beginning of next week. The GFS is similar, although it does recurve it a little bit sooner. Be great to keep it out to sea, but certainly something you need to check back in on the beginning of next week. The GFS model, you can see these are the ensemble runs. We are running global models, so we'll get a typical spaghetti plot coming out here soon. Some of the models already saying not only our first hurricane, but first Cat 3 of the season. The ships model takes it across the Cape Verdes this weekend and then slowly develops it across the Atlantic. We could get a cone by the beginning of next week.